Congress fields Dr. Maimam Santikumar, eyes now on BJP. Will Manipuri candidate Lucky Babu get the ticket? You are watching World Media channel. With the announcement of Dr. Maimam Santikumar as the Congress nominee from the Lakhipur Assembly constituency, political attention in Cachar district has now shifted towards the Bharatiya Janata Party and its yet-to-be finalized candidate for the Borkhola Assembly constituency. Dr. Maimam Santikumar's nominee by the Indian National Congress has generated considerable discussion across the Barak Valley, particularly among members of the Manipuri community who have been seeking greater political representation in the state legislature. Meanwhile, attention has turned to BJP leader Lucky Babu Singha, who is widely seen as an aspirant for the party's ticket from Borkhola. Political observers note that his potential candidature has created interest among sections of the Manipuri community in the region. Both Lakhipur and Borkhola constituencies have a notable presence of Manipuri voters, making the issue of representation a significant point in the evolving political narrative ahead of the elections. Community members and local political observers are closely watching the candidate selection process of the BJP to see whether the party fields Lucky Babu Singha from the constituency. Political analysts believe that if major parties nominate candidates from within the Manipuri community, it could strengthen grassroots engagement and encourage broader participation in the electoral process. As the election atmosphere intensifies in Cachar district, the upcoming decisions of political parties are expected to play a crucial role in shaping the local political landscape. For now, with Congress having announced its candidate from Lakhipur, the spotlight remains firmly on the BJP's next move in Borkhola. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.